The next phase of this ice cream cone pop art project is to trace, cut, and assemble our collages. So what we're making is really what we call in art a mixed media project. So we're doing a little bit of painting, a little bit of drawing, a little bit of cutting, a little bit of pasting, which is collage. Whenever you cut things out from different areas, photos, images, or whatever, or even what you're making here, your shapes, it's called collaging. You put them together and assemble something new. So you're gonna need, here's what you're gonna need for this phase. You're gonna need your monochromatic painting so that you can make your ice cream scoops. You're actually gonna trace scoop shape, and then you're also gonna need your background painting. This is what we're gonna do our collaging on. So we're gonna collage a cone shape and our ice cream shapes onto it to make our actual cone. Some sort of colored paper for your cones. You want to do a pink cone or you want to do a purple cone, that is up to you. I do have plenty of scrap construction paper. You just need to ask me for it. Don't use the same color as your background because they will blend together. Your image won't really work. The other things you're going to need are these tracers. Oh yeah, by the way, you're going to need a pair of scissors and you're going to need a glue. Ooh, be right back. I forgot to snag my glue. Okay, so glue, scissors. You don't want to use glue stick for this. You're going to want to use school glue. Get a bottle of glue that you can share with a partner. Here, we got a couple of different shapes. We've got a tall ice cream scoop, shorter, flatter ice cream scoop. We have a wafer cone, a waffle cone. We're going to pick a shape. We're just going to trace first. So we want to do 3 values of your color. So I'm going to start here at the bottom. Middle value, and darkest value. And now I'm going to trace my cone shape. So now this paper is pretty big, so what we need to do is you have a sheet of paper. I mean, we could get a lot of cones out of this. You only need 1 cone. So maybe you and a partner could share a piece of paper and that would save. So now what I need to do is cut these out. And I want to talk a little bit about how to cut things out quickly and carefully. Whenever you're cutting, the first thing you want to do, if you can, is just separate the part that you're cutting out from the big piece of the paper. I don't need to worry about cutting around all of this here. I'll have a scrap bin out. You can put that in your scrap bin. Now, when you're cutting, the easiest way to cut precisely is to keep your scissors still and rotate the paper or move the paper around. It's more precise to cut this way, and frankly, it's just easier. So, not trying to make this hard, folks. Scraps like this probably are too small to be used, so they need to go into the recycling bin. My recycling bin is the blue bin by my front door. And probably not able to do anything with these. Let's see, so if you want to recycle them, you don't have to play background. Ooh, I think you do. I this. Creativity must be alone. I could cut out letters. If I wanted to, that would be like tricky. Okay, sometimes they want to make a word, like the word ice cream in the background. I could sketch those onto some scraps over there. Okay, so dark cone. I mean, soup. Soup. I trace letters onto the scrap ice cream monochrome painting that I made, and it goes on a little title. Hey, you don't have to do that. Hey, this is hard. Well, that's what things are hard. Everybody's different. Everybody thinks differently, and everybody thinks different kinds of ideas. And hey, we're all creative in our class. You know, in math class, there's only one correct answer. In our class, your art is the answer. Okay, so you can see there's stacking up here on my artwork. Of course, you can also just draw. If you want to draw a title, you can draw a sharp arrows on your painting. That would work too. Maybe you want to just repeat. The reason we're repetition, you're repeating the same shape with these ice cream scoops. But it'd be interesting to repeat another aspect in this artwork by repeating color in our title. So that we know we can do repetition. There's my 3 scoops. Now, before I glue this down, I'm probably going to want to embellish my cone just a little bit. So you could get a marker, draw onto this. So, and we've got a little bit of drawing incorporated now into my design. Here, and we can create a logo here. Maybe just something new, maybe some sort of design. And I'm just going to go around the edges here with my marker. And I'll cover up the line trace. Make it look like when it comes stand out just a little bit more. And here's a little bit here. Waffle cones tend to have this sort of crisscrossing, all this kind of design molded into them. We're going to need these things. As you have mold, you have waffle cone batteries injected in. There's my ice cream cone. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to glue these on. I want to collage them on. So here's my background. Now before I actually glue anything down, I want to plan it out. If I just start right here, no glue, I'm planning this out. I'm designing. I want these to be in the center. We can look at anywhere else. Do I want them to be darkest on top, middle in the middle, or lights on bottom? Or I could do lights on top, darkest in the middle, lights on bottom. I don't want to do that. I can make them straight out, right? Sort of like, zigzag like that. That's all I think, so I don't want to touching down here way at the bottom. I want this to all to be sort of centered. So after you've planned out your design, you're going to want to go ahead and start gluing things down. So glue down my dome. And I can maybe start on top, like some bottom, like ice cream scoop. That's not like glue, close to the edge, not touching, and then reinforce in the middle. So I want that to sit right there on top. And then we'll do my middle. Middle. And then on top. Now we use ocean glue. Right. So now what we're going to do is, we're going to let this dry. The last thing that you'll be able to do once it's dry is just embellish the background if you want. I could cut out words or hearts from these, glue them down if I wanted to, and then that's it. That's it. Grab a Sharpie marker, sign your name on the front like Andy Warhol did. It needs to go in the dry rack to dry. Have fun cutting and gluing.